Solving equation 2x square plus 5x minus 6 equals to 0. 2 is a coefficient of x square, 2 times, and here constant 6, it will be 12. So we have to make this one 5. It's not possible. How? Because 1 times 12, 2 times 6, and finally 3 times 4. So the sum of these number will not make 5, right? So this case we have to make solution by quadratic equation general formula. We know ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a is a coefficient of x square, a equals to 2, b equals to 5, and c equals to minus 6. So after compare this one, we can write x equals to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divide 2a. Now minus b means 5 plus minus root over b square means 5 square minus 4ac, 4 times a times 2c times minus 6, then divide 2a, 2 times 2. Now here is a minus 5 plus minus root over 5 square means 25, minus and minus it will be plus, 4 times 2 it's a 8, 8 times 6 48, then 2 times 2 is a 4. Now here is a minus 5 plus minus, then 25 plus 48, what? 48 plus 25, it will be 73, root over 73, divide 4. Now this root 73 we should make decimal. Root 73 we will get 8.54. So we can write in here minus 5 plus 8.54, then divide 4. Now here is a plus minus. Now we can make like if positive, so x equals to minus 5 plus 8.54 divide 4. So it will be, here is a minus 5, so 3.54. Here is a 3.54 divide 4, right? Then 3.54 divide 4 will be what? 0.885. We can write 0.89. Here is a 0.89. It's a one part. Another part, if negative, then x equals to minus 5 plus minus, right? So minus 8.54 divide 4, then it will be minus 13.54 divide 4. So we can use calculator. Here is a minus 13.54 divide 4. So here is a minus 3.39, minus 3.39. So our answer x equals to minus 3.39 or 0.89. Finish. So very simple. So 1D, we already finished 1A, B, C in last video, and this video we are starting from 1D. Now we are going to solve next math. 4x square plus 7x plus 2 equals to 0. So what do you think? Will we use quadratic equation in general formula or simple factorization? Look, simple factorization is not possible because here is a 4 and here is a 2. It's both are positive. It will be combined 8, right? So we know 1 times 8 equals to 8, and 8 minus 1 becomes 7. Here is a 7. So what is the problem actually? Actually problem is once we multiply like 8 minus 1 becomes 7, but 8 then times minus 1, it will be minus 8, but here is a 4 and plus 2 become plus 8, so it's not possible to simplify this equation by simple factorization. So we have to use quadratic equation in general formula. Let's get started. So first compare with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a equals to coefficient of x square means 4, b equals to 7 and c equals to 2, right? So x equals to, here is a minus plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divide 2a. Okay, now minus b, it means minus 7, plus minus root over b square, it means 7 square minus 4 times a means 4 times 2, right? Divide 2a, it means 2 times 4. So here is a minus 7 plus minus root over 49 minus 4 times 4 is 16 times 2, 32. Divide 2 times 4 is a 8. Okay, next minus 7 plus minus root over 49 minus 32, it's a 17. Divide 8. So minus 7 plus minus divide 2 8, and against root 17 we can write root 17. So here is a 4.12. Okay, so here is a two thing, one is a plus, another one is a minus. So in here we can write this one. If positive, then minus 7 we can write should be x equals to minus 7 plus 4.12 divide 8. So we can write 7 then 4.12, it's become 2.88 divide 8. So result will be minus 0.36. Here is a minus 0.36. And what about if x equals to minus? If negative, then x equals to minus 7 minus 4.12 divide 8. So here is a minus 7 and then minus 4.12 and then divide 8. So it will be minus 1.39, minus 1.39. So x equals to minus 1.39 or minus 0.36. Very simple, right? So number 1D and 1E of this video has done. We are going to solving this equation, which is 5x square plus 7x minus 2 equals to 0. We are trying to solve this equation by quadratic equation in general formula. First, compare with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a means which is the coefficient of x square, a equals to 5, b equals to 7 and c equals to minus 2. We know x equals to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divide 2a. Okay. Now we will implement the value of b, a, b, c. So minus b means what? B means 7 plus minus root over 7 square minus 4 times a means 5 times b means what? B already we implement, c means minus 2. Okay. Then times divide 2 times a means what? 5. So we can write here is a minus 7 plus minus root over 49. Then minus and minus it will be plus 4 times 5 20 times 2 40 and then 10. So here is a minus 7 plus minus root over 89 divide 10. So minus 7 plus minus divide 10 and against root over 89 to 9 we can write 9.43. 9.43. So here is a two value, one is a positive, another one is a negative, because here is a plus and minus has. So let's say, what about x? X if positive, so x equals to minus 7 then plus 9.43 divide 10. So we can write like this, minus 7 plus 9.43. So it will be what? 2.43 divide 10. And our result will be 0.243. 0.243, or we can write 0.24. If negative, then x equals to minus 7 minus 9.43 divide 10. So it will be 16.43. So we can write minus 1.64. Okay. So finally we have finished 3 math based on quadratic equation. It's a very important math, and any kinds of competitive examination, especially school exam, and also you can face this one is a job math. So next video will come very soon. Please subscribe my channel, which is MathZip. I hope you will get lots of things from this channel. Thank you.